Hi, and welcome to this new and very exciting section of the course. And in this section, so throughout the lectures of this section, you will be learning how to generate visualizations on the browser with Python. So we're talking about interactive visualizations, and we'll be using the Bokeh Python library to do that. So Bokeh is a Python library, and it's quite new. And with Bokeh, you can grab data from various data sources, data file formats such as CSV, Python list, JSON files, and so on. And you can create beautiful visualizations on the browser. I used to be a user of Matplotlib and Seaborn, so two other Python libraries that are used to perform visualizations with Python. But I would say Bokeh is more modern. And once I introduce it to you, I'm sure you'll be using it for your data visualization projects. So in this section, I'll be showing you how to create line graphs and scatter plots, and also how to combine various plots into one chart, and time series graphs as well. And we'll be writing the code in the Jupyter notebook, formerly known as the IPython notebook. And the Jupyter notebook is like a combination of a Python console, so you write interactive code, but you can also save the script that you write. The Jupyter notebook looks something like this. Okay, and I'll show you how to install the Jupyter notebook in the next lecture. And so Jupyter is great for doing data analysis and visualizations and web scraping and other exploratory analysis. So I'm sure you'll love it. And yeah, let's move on to the next lecture.